BJP has moved the Election Commission against the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. The Uttar Pradesh unit of the BJP has claimed that during a recent public event, Rahul Gandhi equated his party's symbol, the hand, with God and therefore made a religious comment, violating the poll code.
तो निश्चित रूप से ये मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट की जो जनरल प्रिंसिपल है उसका वायलेशन है। ऐसे में अगर किसी पार्टी के नेता द्वारा जानबूझ करके मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट का और चुनाव अधिनियम का, जनप्रतिनिधित्व अधिनियम का अगर जानबूझ के दुष्प्रेरित तरीके से समझबूझकर उल्लंघन किया जाता है तो चुनाव आयोग को इस पर कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। और वी हैव ऑलरेडी बीन फाइल्ड ए कंप्लेंट दैट इलेक्शन कमीशन मस्ट टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट राहुल गांधी।
उन्होंने हिंदू धर्म की बात की, जैन धर्म की बात की, सिख धर्म की बात की, सभी धर्मों की, इस्लाम की बात की, सभी धर्मों की बात की। तो मैं समझता हूं कि ये तो सबको अनुकरण करना चाहिए।
The office of the Chief Electoral Officer in Uttar Pradesh, in Lucknow, where this complaint has actually been filed, they are saying that they will look at the complaint and only then take a call about what needs to be done. A delegation of the BJP might also submit the same complaint to the Election Commission in Delhi. So far, the complaint has been submitted to the office of the Chief Electoral Officer here in Uttar Pradesh. It's a technicality in a sense, but yes, the BJP has submitted a 6-page complaint where they are saying that the Congress's symbol should be taken away from them and that this is a blatant violation of the model code of conduct that is in place in Uttar Pradesh and other poll-bound states. Now, they are referring to a speech Rahul Gandhi made on the 11th of January in Delhi. They are saying that he equated the symbol of the Congress party, the hand, with all religions, with Islam, with Hinduism, with Sikhism, with many other religions, and they say that this is something that was done to tap religious sentiments in poll-bound states, and that is why they feel that under the Representation of People's Act, Rahul Gandhi should be censored for this, and the Congress should actually, their symbol should be taken away from them, frozen. These are the demands in that 6-page letter that they have submitted. Of course, a war of words, political words, has already broken out between the Congress and the BJP over this.